All right, I think we're live. Maybe. I don't know. All right, so basically what I want to do today is I want to get some stuff done in game dev. I think I just found a temporary fix for the.
So
Oh no.
basically, what I want to do
It's
today
gonna
is
loop.
I want to
It's
get some
gonna
stuff
loop.
out of game dev.
Hold
I
up.
think I just found a temporary fix for the.
Oh no. It's gonna loop. It's gonna loop. Hold up. How is this happening? I don't have any other tabs open. How is this happening? I don't have any other tabs open. There's literally no other tabs open. There's literally no other tabs open. Oh, this is a great start. And my CPU goes overdrive whenever I open two tabs in my Google Chrome, so that's wonderful. And my CPU goes overdrive whenever I open two tabs in my Google Chrome, so that's wonderful. Alright, what about now? Hopefully it doesn't loop. Alright, what about now? Okay. It's not that. It's not that. Okay. That's muted. It's not that. It's not that. That's muted. Okay, so what I don't understand what's going on is there's an audio loop, but the only thing I have open is OBS and Game Maker. Okay, so what I don't understand what's going on is there's an audio loop, but the only thing I have open is OBS and Game Maker. Here, what if I just turn the volume down for now? Here, what if I just turn the volume down? Nope, okay. If I turn the volume up? Nope, okay. If I turn the volume up? Yeah, no, okay. I'll just mute that till I figure something out. Okay. Well, I gotta do some stuffs, so let's do it. I think today I want to work on. Okay, I still hear it even though my stuff is muted. I don't understand it. I don't know how there's an audio loop. Like, I hear it too. I just, like, I have two things open. That's my Game Maker and my OBS. I don't know how there's an audio loop. Like, I hear it too. I just, like, I have two things open. That's my Game Maker and my. Let me open Task Manager. Let me open Task Manager. Usually, it won't let me open Task Manager because it crashes, so. Usually, it won't let me open Task Manager because it crashes, so. Hi, hi, Bear Hugs. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, Task Manager's not responding. Okay, that's great. Hi, Bear Hugs. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, Task Manager's not responding. Okay, that's great. I'm just gonna turn the desktop audio all the way down. That's stupid. Okay, now my computer's like bugging. What is going on? Dude, there's two things open. Can it not handle? I'm gonna restart my computer after this. Stream. Okay. I need to get rounds done. And my mouse isn't even moving anymore. Did my OBS freeze too? What the heck is going on? Everything's being weird. Okay, I think we're good now. Alright, I want to do rounds, so I'm going to do that. Okay, this is round start. I mean, it's going all right. My computer's having a stroke, and there's like you're the only one in here, but I mean, I guess that's fine. Just gonna work on stuff anyways. Just got a lot of stuff going on, like in real life too, but it is what it is. Dude, why is it so buggy? Something's up with my. I like want to restart it now, but like I mean, I'm streaming, so I can't restart my computer. Dude, it's running so badly. It can't run a 2 megabyte game right now. Look at this. No, I forgot I did that. Yeah, it's running horribly. Oh, the game's not as bad, but it should be super hard mode. Alright. Anyways, let me fix the paddle. We'll do the fix ahead for the paddle. Just make it thicker. Had to make the collision box thicker. Let's do that. There we go. Okay. Let's try that. Let's hope it doesn't look weird. Let me turn down the speed. I forgot I did that. Personally, I think it's kind of harder to control with the faster paddle. So far it's okay. Alright. So okay, today what I wanted to do is I wanted to fix the rounds. So let me make the timer a lot less. Can be 600. Um, didn't I just have it? So that that was a round start. This is in the timer. Okay. Okay, it's not even showing. It shows that at least. I'll take what I can get with that. Then what if I did it plus equals 1? Okay, paddles are still here. So yeah, after that I need to make it visible. X should equal 0. Or no, it should be displaying it width divided by 2. Hey, welcome to the chat, Dragon Terror. Alright, let's see if this works. Hopefully. Dude, yeah, my computer is bugging right now. It can't run it can't run Pong. Oh my gosh. I mean, to be fair, I am streaming too, but it usually doesn't have a problem with that. Okay. Now when I press this. Uh-oh, that's not good. That's very weird. Okay. So then I think I'll do with the paddle. All right. So once the timer goes off, it hides the paddle. Yes. So then once I press the space button. In YouTube settings, you can turn down latency. at the cost of live captions in 1440p. Have to do it before stream though. Oh, I actually didn't really know what low latency meant, so I put it at low latency and not ultra low latency. So I don't really need 1440p because my computer can't even handle this apparently, and I don't really need live captions either. Hopefully this works. Alright, so now if I press space, what am I making? So my plan is to make a roguelike Pong game, and kind of like Balatro with elements of that, but okay, wait. So the paddles work, yeah, and so now I just need to get the ball to work. Uh-oh. Yeah, ultra low, at ultra low, there's near, oh my god, I can't talk. Yeah, I know there's a little bit of delay. I had to turn my desktop audio all the way down so you guys won't hear the alerts because all I have is OBS, which is what I use to stream this, and then the Game Maker, which is the engine I'm using to make my game. And for some reason, there's an audio loop, so I don't really know
so you
what's
guys
up with
won't
that.
hear
The alerts because all I have is OBS, which is what. So sadly, you won't be able to hear the main menu music either. There's something wrong with the round start button because I need it to destroy itself after all this happens. Or just make it invisible. That works too. I think it would be better to just destroy it so I don't have to deal with it, but I don't know. Yeah, this is the start button. Go to OBS real quick. I think I know what caused the loop. All right, hold on. All right, so now I just have this little thing here, and I don't want that there. Right click the audio panel and click advanced audio. Okay. Turn off monitoring. Yeah, both of them say off. Here, let me turn on my desktop audio so you can hear what's going on. Thing here, and I don't want that there. What's even playing? Right click the audio panel and click. Yeah, see how it's like. I'll turn that down because it's probably annoying, but okay. Yeah, both of them say monitor off. Turn off monitoring. Yeah, both of them say off. Here, let me turn on my desktop audio so you can hear what's going on. Thing here. Do you have the stream open? No. Here, you see these tabs down at the bottom? This is all I have open. I have OBS and then Game Maker. I don't have anything else open. I don't understand. Monitor off. Turn off monitoring. Yeah, both of them say off. Here, let me turn on my desktop audio so you can hear what's going on. Thing here. Do you have the stream open? No. Here, you see these tabs down at the bottom? This is all I have open. I have OBS, and then my other one is just OBS. I don't have anything else open. I don't understand. This is an OBS. I actually have no idea why it's doing this. I'll bring my OBS over so you can see it too. Do you have the stream open? No. Here, you see these tabs down at the bottom? This is all I have. This is all I have going right now. And then my other one is just OBS. I don't have anything else open. I don't understand. This is an OBS. I actually have no idea why it's doing. Yeah, I just have been turning off my. This is the first time I've had this issue. I probably just need to restart my computer because I don't know. It's an old gaming laptop. Probably shouldn't be streaming off of it, but here I am. All right. I mean, thanks for trying to help. You did a lot better than I did, at least, trying to figure it out. Hopefully this works. Actually, I think I might know why it does this. If I press space, it doesn't matter if that's visible or not. So, go back. And then if I go to the room, is it in the room? What's this? It's not in there. If you have debugging on, it's probably, yeah, debugging is not on either. It's the only two things that are running. What if I did that? Welcome back, Bear Hugs. Okay, now it just doesn't even work. This is weird. This is very weird. I don't understand it. What is happening? Yeah, it is hard to start from zero. I do understand that. I am going to stream on Twitch next week, which I don't have like any of a following there. So that'll be fun. Okay, so I want it to destroy itself when you press the space key, right? Yes, okay. Okay, hopefully this works. Oh, welcome to the chat. I forgot my hobbies. remember you from yesterday. I mean, I remembered a dude that was from a year ago when he typed in chat once, so. Alright, now this should work. It kind of did. I had to press space once. Okay. Not gonna chat today. Alright, that's fine. Just lurking. Creep. I'm just kidding. Alright. What I'm trying to do right now is basically I'm trying to make rounds work. So when I press after a little bit, it should open a shop. There's still crazy frame drops, so I'm sorry about that. I don't know what's up with my computer. But basically, when the shop shows up, I should be able to press space, and then it destroys the shop and it makes the ball and paddle. Problem is, I have to press it twice. Once, and oh, what? What the heck? That's very weird. Okay, the ball's not showing up. I gotta get the ball working. So that would be in timer. Maybe this could be a part of it. Okay, now if I press space, that's super weird. I don't like that. That's being weird. Okay. And the ball shows up way after. Okay. So, hmm. All right. So here, I need display. Maybe this will work. Oh, that worked better. I still don't know why I have to press space twice sometimes, and sometimes I don't. Let's see. When space is pressed, shop active is false. And if shop, wait, okay. Um, I can remove this because this is all the shop token stuff. Okay, now if I press space, everything should be gone. Wait, it worked. It actually worked. Does it work again now? If it happens. It does. Okay. Now I need the round to go up every single time that happens. It's staying at 2, so there's a problem there. Alright, so when that happens, when space is pressed, I think I did that wrong. Yeah. Wait, no. Equals +1. It's very buggy right now. What the heck? Okay. 1. It's at 1 right now. So if I press space again, it should be at 2. Okay, no, it's still at 1. Okay. Maybe that, honestly, right? If I did round equals round +1. Does that do something? Then I press start. Okay, now it's at 2. Now it's still at 2. Oh, it's because every time it's being created, it makes it plus. It makes. Okay, I understand that now. I just need to make it invisible. All right. Now it's at 2. Now it's at 3. Now it's at 4. Okay, I got it working. Let's go. All right. Okay, that's great. That took me a while to do. Next, I would like to work on the menu of the shop. So, okay. Yeah, I got it working. So now whenever you open the shop, or whenever the shop opens after the round ends, you press space, everything else gets destroyed, and then the paddles and the ball stays, and then the round goes up 1. And then I want every 5 rounds there's like a boss, and that's the only way you die, basically. So, let's see. I would like to make the shop menu. I want to make it so that there's three different upgrades, right? There's three of them for now. And then you can press the left and right keys to like select between them, right? And then there's like a what's it called? A little outline around it to tell you which one you're on. So I'm just thinking how I would do that. What if instead of that, um, okay, what's something I can do right now? I want to fix something real quick, actually. So the first time that the shop shows up, there's the ball, but it's on the left and it's weird. Still crazy frame drops right now. I might just end the stream early and figure out what's going on with my PC. I'll probably end it at 2 if that's the case then. Cause yeah, I'm getting crazy frame drops. What am I talking about? Oh my god. Um, yeah. First of all, this is right here, and I don't like that. Gotta remove that. So let's make the ball invisible when the shop comes up. So when the timer is 0, ball visible equals false. And then when the space button is pressed in the round start button, of the ball visible equals true. Let's try that. Let's see how that works. Alright, the ball trail is still there, so we gotta make the trail invisible as well. And then we gotta do it false in the other one. Make this false. Alright, that's still there. That's a problem. Got this thing here, and it's being weird. But it does disappear after that, so... Okay, it's still there every time this comes up. So whenever this comes up, something happens. So we got another timer for when it does come up. Right, this is the timer, yeah. So the ball speed is 0, X, Y, yep. That should all work. But the visible is false. That's the first thing that comes up. So what is that there? Maybe if I do this plus 100 and see what happens. Yeah, I'll probably end the stream if, like an hour early just to figure out what's going on with my computer. Oh, also, Dragon Terror, if you're still here, um, the tag for my Twitch is at Panaman2242. There's a link. Actually, I'm pretty sure I put the link in the description of like this live stream. If you're still here. Probably not. I wouldn't be surprised. All right. Plus 200. We could just hide it behind the shop, honestly. Or I could put it at like 1,000. Just so it's off screen. Does that work? Uh, that's a problem. Okay. What if I put the ball? Yeah, it can't be off screen because then it resets. Can we put it behind the shop? It won't even start. Okay, there we go. I know, now it's up here. So that was minus 100. Now we do plus 100. Plus 200. See if this works. All right. I mean, it works for now. All right. So, okay. I want to make the shop look different than it does right now because I don't really like how it looks. All right. What if for now I just made it like a giant box, kind of like it is right now? Yeah. So like this, except it's on all sides and it's like in the middle. And I just remove this part. And we go. Welcome back. You've been back like 6 times. All right. This should work, right? Yes, that looks good. Then we can have that. What if I made these all like the equal size? Is the sound working? No, it's not. I haven't gotten that working. It's still repeating. So sadly, I don't get to hear the uh title screen. Music. Okay, I think this is good-ish. And maybe we can stretch it and tell it they're all equal. Alright, now these look all pretty equal, right? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, it's not equal yet. Got a little bit more. Maybe like one more. That looks pretty equal. Yeah. I think that's good. We could just have it be black, actually. Why is it so laggy? Alright. Yep, that looks okay. And then that works. Now let's have a round counter. Like, so it tells you what round you're on. We'll do a draw event. Maybe you can restart your computer. Yeah, that's what I plan to do. I'm ending the stream in 10 minutes just so I can do that. That's what I'm going to try first, and if that doesn't work, then I don't even know. I plan to get a PC at some point, but I shut down my computer every night. Yeah, I did too, but I don't know. Alright, let's try this. Alright, so this is the X. We'll do 100, 0, and then RND. Maybe this works. Oh, okay. I saw it for a second. We'll just do 500 actually. I see it up there. That's good, at least. Then we don't really need to show the shop tokens anymore because I'm not using that. All right, yeah. I'm gonna restart my computer. It's running everything horribly right now. Sorry that that sucks as live stream. I just want to fix this. I will. I am streaming tomorrow. I'm gonna do Smash Bros. I'm gonna try to do a challenge, whatever you guys want. Personally, I'm thinking I'm gonna get Elite Luigi to Elite Smash, but I won't grab, which would be crazy. Or Min Min, but I don't use arms. I don't know. Uh, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Sorry that this stream kind of sucks.